Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am live on YouTube. I will be live on TikTok in a few minutes. And how about I make an announcement about that? I'm a little nervous right now. And so let me say why I'm nervous after I send this tweet here. Okay, so there are concerns about the Delta variant of the strain, the COVID strain. It's like, man, is this going to be with us forever? It's, I remember reading something when I first, good morning, Grant and Jose, good morning. I remember reading something when COVID just kind of came to the world, to the United States at least, and I remember reading like, this thing's going to mutate, it's going to have different variants, this thing might be with us forever, and kind of being like, oh boy, this kind of stinks. And so now I'm seeing some fears with the Delta variant of COVID, and I'm like, all right, are we going to go through what we did in March of 2020? I don't think so. The reason why I don't think so is that was, good morning, Redbeard. That just took us by surprise. It shouldn't have, but we were living in a dream world and it took us by surprise. And all of a sudden we realized, in one day we realized, oh shoot, this pandemic is here, and it's a serious thing. I mean, depending on who you ask. But I remember more so at that time being afraid of the fear. The fear, like everyone else freaking out, was what made me nervous. And so this time around, we have this Delta variant rising. So will the stock market crash? Will cryptos crash as much if this Delta variant takes over? I would not think so. And I mean, even if you remember, it was a V-shaped recovery anyway, so it recovered very quickly. So if something similar happens, I mean, I think it's going to be a bleed, and we'll see about after that. A bleed and then a decent recovery, but I don't know. Yeah, what the FUD? Yeah. All right, XRP, seeing things, seems like it's going to explode. Where are you at with this? I'm curious to know what you think as far as what's going to cause it to explode. It's becoming more and more of a thing that's on my radar for sure, because I'm just wondering, all right, they're coming out with this stable coin. Are they going to build an exchange? There's some things that I'm like, all right, what are you up to, XRP? So I don't know, but I hold a lot of XRP. Yeah, when I say a lot, I mean anything that I hold 5 figures of, I consider that a lot. So I'm pretty sure that I own more than 5 figures worth of XRP. So bring it on, I'm just not one of those crazy, those XRP nuts. So ETH, Bitcoin, last dip. Hey, check out, I would not quite say that. Check out my most recent TikTok. July, I just think, is going to be a danger zone. What do you want to call it? So this one, July 18th bottom. Grayscale is unloading 40-something thousand shares. Now, I'm saying shares, not Bitcoin. Their Bitcoin is locked, but the shares are becoming unlocked. There's a 6-month lock. And so the last several months, May, March, December, there were similar unlocks, and bears use that as an opportunity to kind of drive the price down. And so, of course, ETH follows Bitcoin. I'm wondering perhaps. So, July 18th is the biggest unlocking. I think it's like 16,000 Bitcoin will be unlocked on July 18th. Not Bitcoin, sorry. 16,000 shares will be unlocked on July 18th. And who knows? Maybe the bears will use that as an opportunity to drive the price down. So I'm wondering if the bottom is July 18th. So what else? All right. So yeah, and maybe Ethereum will be the same thing. Crypto Weatherman, friend of mine, I follow him on TikTok. Blowing up, awesome guy. He's wondering, so the only bullish thing that he's put out recently is this Jack Dorsey Elon Musk event, which I think is on the 21st, and he's hyping, thinking that might be hyped up as a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing. So he expects the price of Bitcoin to actually go up by the 21st. He had not considered the grayscale unlocking. He's not really big into things like that. Those are things that I pay attention to. He's more of a technical analysis kind of guy. So we disagree again. You know, it's one of these things. It's like, all right, when he's bullish, I'm bearish, and when he's bearish, I'm bullish. Although, I mean, both of us have been saying U-shaped recovery for a while now. So what else? 32.8. I mean, all right, it did hit a bottom, had some support at 32,000. Now at 32.8, I guess fine. This range that it's in right now is really frustrating. You know, I mean, in June, it was pretty much a range between 30 and 40,000. Now it's a range between, 32 and 35. So what comes next? I don't know. We will see. But I think it's time. Calm before the storm and buckle up. I think it is time for me to go live on TikTok. As always, I will be prioritizing the YouTube stream over the TikTok one. So why did last night happen? It might have been some grayscale shares unlocked. I don't know about the timing of that. It might have just been, I don't know. You know, it ended up being $3,000 drop, and now we're up another $800 or so. So yeah, I feel like we're gonna crash, but at the same, something like that. More time to accumulate. Yeah, you know what? August, September, this fall, you're going to be looking back at this time and been like, man, I should have been more aggressive. I am so certain of that. So, all right. But at the same time, I would be surprised if a whale didn't swoop in. Yeah, Grant, that's been my message this whole time, and it has proven to be true. You know, guys like Pablo on TikTok calling for 20 to 25K Bitcoin, and he can argue till he's red in the face. He called that for June. He called it for June. And we were under $30,000 for 2 hours in June. But we got nowhere near 20 to 25,000. So that's been the thing. And I'm sure it's frustrating because it's like, for him at least, because it's like he wants to be right, I'm sure. But also, I'm sure he wants to make money too. But that's something he can't measure. And that's the thing the message that I've been communicating is like, there are just some things that you're not going to be able to look at with your analytics and your charts. You can't measure those things. So I have been right so far, but we'll see about July, because I kind of doubled down, but then I'm wondering about this grayscale stuff. So we'll see. July 18th, I'm going to be very aggressive July 18th, no matter what happens. So bought the dip anyway, but yeah, just curious. Yeah. All right, time to go live on TikTok. Here we go. I'm going to need like a 30 seconds or so to get set up. Boom, 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 boom. Dun, 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 dun. I need there we go. Trying to set up my background. Got a little green on my face on TikTok. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm live on TikTok. Another day, another question about Shiba Inu, about XRP, about Cardano. So excited to answer questions about those things. I cannot wait. Can't wait to answer questions about Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Dogecoin for sure. I'm so fired up to be answering those questions. Can't you tell? Okay. Do you think Bitcoin will drop to 25K? I do not think so, no. I mean, if the stock market crashes big time, then yes, but no. Otherwise, I don't think so, but hope you're doing well as well. So, Redbeard, I see you. All right. I am live on TikTok and on YouTube. So, YouTube is a better viewing experience for those of you on TikTok. XRP, no one's asking me yet, but XRP, yeah. I think it's going to be flat till the SEC suit is over, and then we'll shoot higher after that. So hop on in, ask a question, because the chat will usually get too fast for me. So how do you know when the stock market crashes? You never know, really. So XRP, let me think. It's going to be flat until the SEC suit is over, and then it'll go higher. So that's my opinion on XRP. I am curious about this. What is it? The stablecoin. Cardano predictions $8. Is S&P an indicator? No, S&P is what is it? Oh my goodness, I'm totally blanking. I mean, it's a stock thing. Oh my goodness, I sound like an idiot. All right, ETH January price predictions 5,500. How about that? But you know, March or May price predictions more like 15,000. So S&P 500. All right, all right. Dot prediction for end of cycle $200. What's up, Sambo? You're welcome, Mo. Thank you. Best crypto coins to buy during this time: Bitcoin and Ethereum. Be very careful right now. There are some bearish things, you know. And should I be buying more crypto? I would say dollar cost average. Just keep buying. Buy, instead of buying like $1,000 worth of crypto. Buy, you know, today. Buy like $50 today, $50 tomorrow, stuff like that. So, but be very careful right now. July is going to be a rocky month, but I think we're going to end July strong. But between now and the end of July, I think it's going to be rocky. What's up, Pablo? Bitcoin price prediction July 25th, 36,000. Hello from Amsterdam. All right. What's going on with the stonks today? They've been overpriced. Check out Crypto Weatherman. He's been pretty much nailing it with stock market stuff. So, hey, Rob, what's up? I am live on YouTube and on TikTok at the same time. Look up World War Bitcoin on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am able to respond to every question there, but not on TikTok. So, again, ETH price prediction January 5,500 or so, something like that. So, did you ask that question already? Yes, you did. All right, 5,500. I do not hold any one, and I might regret that. But in general, I'm bullish. Seems like it's underrated. Yes, 5,500. The sky is falling. Oh no. What is up? Smiles, what's up? You used to have a different name on YouTube? Yeah, the Stonk Report, but crypto is my first love, so... Oh, stream was lagging. Okay. My man, what's up, Fluent Finance? Good to see you. Good to be messaging with you. So, any love for Shiba Inu? No, not really. I own some. How about that? I own some. I bought the dip. So, Crow, very, very bullish on Crow. And they have some good partnerships. Formula One, $150 million partnership with the UFC. That's banging, man. I don't know what the word is. So, you were wondering where I went. Oh, man. Yeah, here I am, DG. Good morning, Suchi. My brother has put a bet that this year won't be bullish. You know, if he's wrong, let's see. Give me 1 second. If he's right, you know, I mean, 2022, so be it. You know, I could see a possibility that we wouldn't pass the all-time high in 2021. So, what's up with Bitcoin? Things are just struggling right now. July, the beginning and middle of July, I think are going to be pretty rocky. So, emotionally going to destroy myself with these price fluctuations. I'm 16. I already have 3K. Dude, chill. You're 16. You're going to be killing it. Your 3K, if you hold long enough, would turn into $1 million. So, Cardano, we'll see about Cardano. XRP lawsuit, I think it's going to 2022, so I just don't think XRP is going to do much this year. So, Tiger King, if you're talking about the crypto, there's a Tiger King crypto, nothing. I got nothing for you. Liking Telcoin's future, I'm intrigued for sure. I don't own any, but all right, in crypto, and I plan to put all my money into crypto and risk for the rarity. All right. It seems nowadays no one talking about algo and HBAR. Any ideas, bro? I mean, I'm talking about HBAR a lot. Not as much about Algorand, but I own both. I like both. So, yeah. Cardano, again, $8 this cycle. XLM, very bullish. Very bullish on XLM. Yeah, going through the storm. Yeah, just go through the storm. Why is everything dropping right now? I don't know. You know, I tried to figure that out. I mean, it's at 32.8 right now. It seems to be bouncing back, bounced off of 32 pretty hard. It's just, it's not the FOMC minutes from yesterday. It's not an Elon Musk tweet. There's some fear. You know, the stock market's down a little bit. There's some fear maybe about the Delta variant of the coronavirus. So it's the market, you know. Tether, specifically for 7.5 APY staking on BlockFi. I don't think you can get Tether on BlockFi, and that's the one that I would avoid compared to everyone else. There's other ones on BlockFi that you can get 7.5%. What am I bullish on? for the month of July, for the first half for the next 10 days, nothing. I'm bullish on nothing. After that, pretty much everything. So thank you, HK. Really appreciate that. I hold like 300 Bitcoin for the possibility, but I'm an ETH and Matic bull. Awesome. Yeah, those I'm very bullish on both of those, and on Chainlink. So, all right, I'm looking at the YouTube chat real quick. What about XRP stablecoin, Ripple stablecoin, whatever? You know, I say the same thing. I'm curious. I don't know entirely what their plans are, but you know, maybe they're going to be coming up with an exchange. That would be pretty huge for XRP. So, I see it as a good thing. So. Shaking out the weak hands before the pump. We'll see. We've been shaking out the weak hands for quite a while. So, yeah, hold. Smiles, I agree. Hold. Solana, very, very bullish on Solana. I think it's going to be worth what Ethereum is next cycle. So, all right. What's up with the recent dip with Bitcoin and Ethereum? There's no one thing that you can pin it on, Jay Frazier. Good to see you again. No one thing, really. So, do you see ETH having the potential to get Bitcoin's value one day? Perhaps. ETH is becoming deflationary, and so how fast is Ethereum going to burn, you know? So if it burns quickly, then, yeah, their supply might go down to the point where it's equal to Bitcoin's supply or something like that. So, all right, time to buy my top 5. Yeah, should I buy Dogecoin? Hold off a little bit. I'm not buying anything right now. Is staking Cake Coin good? It gives 175 APY. I stake a lot of Cake. I haven't seen anywhere that it gives 175%. But, I mean, it's over 100%. So, why do people say the creator missed opportunities with Cardano? I haven't seen anything about that. So, we'll survive the bear market. And how do you feel about Matic by December? What will survive the bear market? I don't know what you're asking, but Matic by December, I think all cryptos, pretty much all of them, will be a little bit higher than their all-time highs in December. So, yeah, 10-day hold, then buy on Grayscale. I'm just, yeah, July 18th is Grayscale's biggest unlock of their shares. And so I think that's going to be a pretty rough day. And so after that, I'll be an eager buyer no matter what happens. If that's bullish, which some people are making a case that it's actually a bullish thing. If it's bullish, then so be it. But after that day, I will be very, very an eager buyer. So on Binance, it's 175. Interesting. Okay. New BNB1 farm on Pancake Swap. That is very interesting, Redbeard. Okay. Will there be another dip? And if so, how low will it be in the 26? I'm assuming you're 26,000. Here's the hypothesis that I've been making ever since Pablo started calling for 20 to 25K Bitcoin. Anytime we get in that 20K range, a bull comes in, not a bull, a whale comes in and just scoops it up. And so, man, it's like, it's one of these things where I just think they see 20,000, the 20,000, high 20,000 range, they're going to get very, very greedy. So I don't think 20 to 25K. Do you think there will be a drop to 40 or below to hover here and work slowly back towards 30? Drop to 40 or below? That doesn't make any sense. Oh, 30 or below. Okay, 30 or below. I mean, yeah, I just answered that question. I think Matic will survive the bear market for sure. So buy dip now or wait is my opinion. Drop DA like people. Who's DA? So, all right, I'm caught up. Dan Pena is calling whatever happens will be a black swan event. So, all right, somebody mentioned Dan Pena yesterday. I don't know who he is, but somebody mentioned that he says Bitcoin's going to zero. So it's like, am I really going to listen to somebody like that? I don't know. But again, for those of you on YouTube, on TikTok, I am live on YouTube right now. It's a much better viewing experience on YouTube. So I would recommend hopping over there, looking up World War Bitcoin, my username. So, yeah, I am saying Solana will be in the thousands in the next bull run, yes. What's the thought on Crow with all the USC hype? I think that's great. I think it's a good sign that they're here for the long haul, that they're profitable. And I see no reason to think that Crypto.com would be dying anytime soon. So that means their Crow coin won't be dying either. So it's the Weatherman. Do you think we are in a bear market? Yeah, a bear market. We are in a bear market. There's no doubt about that. We're not in the bear market. We're not going to be waiting until the next Bitcoin halving for new all-time highs. I highly, highly doubt that. We are in a bear market within a broader bull run. So how much Bitcoin and ETH do I hodl? How much money is in my bank account? Between 1 and 1,000 Bitcoin and between 10 and 10,000 ETH. So I explained staking, how it works. That's the one thing I don't understand yet. You hold your crypto on a platform. My favorite one is PancakeSwap. Hold it there. You get returns in that crypto. Why do some people think Pablo is a crypto god? The only magic he does is disappears his videos. Good morning, Fry. Good morning. Yeah, people. He made one prediction that he he borrowed from 4chan, and now everyone thinks that he's Nostradamus. He's been wrong a lot. I still like him a lot. He's really smart, but he's been wrong a lot lately. Thoughts on ETH? I'm very, very, very bullish on ETH. EIP 1559, the London hard fork, has been delayed until August 4th. It's probably going to be delayed after that, but I don't care. I'm still super bullish on ETH. So no dip coming, not necessarily. I think the next 10 days, just hold off on the next 10 days. But after that, I'm pretty bullish. So Alex, asked about XRP 57 times. No, only 3 times, so I'm good. What do I think about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is awesome. I love it. So, yeah, smart guy, but way too arrogant. I mean, he's a good guy. I messaged him. I messaged him yesterday. He was very kind in his messages. So, okay, thoughts on the UFC crypto deal? Somebody just asked me that on TikTok. I'm very excited about that. I think it's a great sign that Crypto.com is going to be here for quite a while. So, Fry, oh man, I don't know what to say about that. That's a bummer, but thank you for the sentiment. All of you have been wrong a lot. All right, Mr. Big Steve, tell me how I have been wrong. There are some ways that I could tell you how I've been wrong, but if it's between me and Pablo, I would say that Pablo has been wrong more than I have. So, never comment on U.S. sovereignty. You're welcome, user 978. Thank you so much. AMP, my thoughts. I have 100K AMP. Awesome. I mean, I think it's going to be bullish for you. As far as adding new AMP, I would say hold off for a little bit. So 6K XRP versus 2 ETHs. Oh man, if you're gonna have to decide between the two, I guess 6K XRP only because XRP has been suppressed by the SEC suit, and once that's over, I expect it to catch up to the other cryptos with how well they've done. So Doge is going to be flat for a while. It's only going to follow the price of Bitcoin. It's not going to have any independent runs for several months. I mean, Bitcoin going up or down for the next week and a half to 2 weeks, I think down. After that, I'm very bullish. So holding HBAR VET and Matic. What should I add? I mean, Bitcoin and Ethereum for sure. I would start with that, but Chainlink as well. Who is Pablo? Pablo He-Man, pretty big crypto TikToker. Kind of exploded because he predicted that flash crash down to 29K in May or something like that. So where can you buy XRP? On Uphold. You can buy it on Uphold. So, bro, it's about who gives the best prediction because no one knows what is exact. Yeah, it's hard. Bitcoin Cash, it's trash. I mean, sure, you want some short-term plays. You think Bitcoin's going up. Bitcoin Cash will probably do a little bit better in the short run. So, yes, Crow will skyrocket from all the advertising. I agree. Eventually. Thoughts on Uni? I think Uniswap is going to kill it with the EIP 1559 upgrade. So I want to check out Quant. What's up with Quant today? I'm always curious about how Quant's doing because it seems to be completely decoupled from Bitcoin, which is great. I wish other cryptos were like that as well. So 73. Thank you for that gift. All right, Rick Spots recommend one for his donkey to use for this donkey to use. I don't know. I haven't looked into Rick Spots. I am curious. I'll probably put a little bit into it. So Safe Moon, not a fan. Quant hit all-time high after all the dips. Yes, it did. Yeah. Thank you, Smiles. HBAR thoughts. Very bullish on HBAR. That's a long-term hold for me. Long term, I won't be selling any of it. You don't understand why I don't like Safe Moon? I don't understand why people like Safe Moon, honestly. All right, Dan Pena is a multi-billionaire, if not trillionaire. Huh. Has his hands a lot of stuff. He's called almost every stock market crash in 7 decades. Okay. Check him out on YouTube. Man, that's kind of scary then. 1K security deposit, when and where should I put it? 18th, around the 18th, half in Bitcoin, half in Ethereum. Well, no. All right, Z-Corp, I know you have other cryptos. I don't know. Uniswap would be one. Chainlink, something like that. So does yesterday's crash mean we're probably going to 20K? I don't think so. I don't think we're going to 20K. Jesus would really like your prediction on Shiba Inu, your favorite. Shiba's my favorite, man. It's my absolute favorite. All right, just compare SafeMoon to Binance. You'll see why getting in on SafeMoon is a smart thing to do. I mean, I own some SafeMoon, so I'm in. But whatever. 3 coins you would recommend to buy now? None right now. Come back in a week and a half or 2 weeks. But other than that, I mean, I'm always going to say Bitcoin and Ethereum. So yeah, I know about SafeMoon creating their own blockchain exchange and wallet, whatever. Cool, man. All right, B Pro Rocket, yep. But for right now, it's a meme coin. They can say they're going to do whatever they want, but for right now, SafeMoon is a meme coin. Man, the SafeMoon shills are. Oh wait, no, it's just one of you. Never mind. XLM, I love XLM. Very bullish. $5 price prediction. Low market cap picks. I don't really have any. I focus more on like top 50 and to some extent top 100. So Tezos, I really don't know enough. I'm sorry about that. I see you, Crypto Husser. Luna, Solana, Engine, Aave. To buy now. I'm not buying anything now. I'm literally nothing. But, I mean, all of those you probably want some exposure to. So, Housing market affecting the crypto market. Not so much the housing market. I mean, you know, if the housing market affects the stock market, then the stock market will affect the crypto market. So yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. Great things about SafeMoon haven't happened yet, but they will. It's like Cardano. That's why I'm not insane about Cardano, but maybe, I'm willing to change my mind on SafeMoon once they actually do something other than being a meme coin. XLM $5 is January at the earliest, I would say. View on Decentraland, your thoughts long term. I know people are asking me a lot about Decentraland because they had a massive green candle yesterday. In general, I'm bullish, but don't really have any other thoughts. It's not like one of my, I'm crazy about Decentraland. I own some. That's all I'll say. So DCAing Solana and HBAR, excellent. Cardano, $8 this cycle. Yes, Dino Crypto Dad. SafeMoon still has a lot to prove themselves. So mini Doge, nothing. Yeah, along with Bitcoin and ETH daily. Yep. BNBP pre-sale, no thoughts. The first Doge exchange ever will launch on July 19th. Maybe not a good date. Maybe it's a perfect date. Maybe it's just upward and onward from there. Please stop asking the same question over and over again. Yeah. You know what's going on with KCC? No idea. BNBP pre-sale, nothing. All right, lots of arguments in my chat about SafeMoon, so cool. I'll let you guys fight it out. Gut feeling which way Bitcoin is going to move at the end of the sideways motion? Down. If that happens within 10 days, I'm thinking down. If it just keeps going sideways until a week and a half, 2 weeks from now, I'd say up. AXS, no. Why do you think Bitcoin is dropping? Any particular reason? No. Crypto People. Yeah, people are asking me that. I've looked everywhere. I don't see any specific thing. Aside from, it started dropping last night, and if the stock market was open, I wouldn't be surprised if the stock market dropped. But there's no one thing that I could pin it on. So, all right, my alt bag is 40% XRP, 20% ADA, 20% VET, 20% DOT. Thoughts over Everledge? I need Link HBAR. Sell what? Fit it all in one. I'm not, the word sell is not in my vocabulary right now. I do think Link and HBAR would be great to add to that for sure. Solana, you have Solana. No, Solana 2. Quant for sure. XRP, $3 January 2022. If the SEC suit is over, yeah, for sure. Do I have faith in ADA really delivering? I have faith that they'll deliver some of what they're promising, but not all of it. STPT, no idea. All right, Bitcoin will hit 28K. We'll see. No, I don't like Shiba Inu either. So I do have some. I have some SafeMoon, some Shiba. I don't know, $3,000 worth of SafeMoon, $200 worth of Shiba. Where would put 500 in crypto, 250 in Bitcoin, 250 in Ethereum. So take half your ADA, put it in HBAR. Okay. KCC, when you get some time. KuCoin community chain. Okay. People who bought early didn't get in early because all of the things with Bitcoin are happening now. All right, I am live on YouTube, by the way. For those of you on TikTok, hop over to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Look right up there. I am able to respond to every question or comment on YouTube. I cannot guarantee that for TikTok. All right. I can't go much lower. That's funny. It can, but sure, it's holding. Same for Shiba. Bum. bum, 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 dun, 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 dun. All right, anyway. Let's see. What did I study in college? Economics. The focus on macroeconomics. So, thank you, Darren. Man, crypto space. Who in the crypto space inspires me the most? I mean, I got to put Benjamin Cohen up there. He's boring, and I love it. All right, Crypto Weatherman. He's a friend of mine. He keeps me grounded. You know, he keeps me from doing anything too crazy with my money. Who else? Crypto. The Modern Investor. The Modern Investor. He's on YouTube. I just really like him. He looks like he could be my brother. So look up some guy who looks like he could be my brother. Except he's skinnier, wears glasses. Heard of me from Begin Crypto? Yeah, I really like Begin Crypto too. Yeah. Doing CS and we'll definitely work in crypto in the future. Awesome. Love him. Daisy. Who are you talking about? Good morning, Garden of Evil. You love one of those guys that I just mentioned. Am I planning my own crypto project? No. Not necessarily. Not at all. I'm kind of jealous. The Blockchain Boy and Pablo are working on one, and it looks pretty legit. So, how much is all my crypto worth? 6 figures. On which is Pablo working? Daisy, who are you talking about? I really want to know who you're talking about. Man, what's it called? DAO Maker? I don't remember the name of it. But they're gonna have a pre-sale in a couple days. So just look up Blockchain Boy. Fun to watch you filling in for the silence. Yeah, man, that's funny. I'm trying. It's funny, I had when it was really hot, I had like 1,000 people on this live stream, and so now you see 63 people here right now, and it's like, to me, that's a buying signal. But if you see 1,000 people on this live stream ever again, be very afraid. Biggest crypto mistake and lesson learned, Darren. I would say, it's not necessarily with crypto. I made a lot of mistakes before crypto even existed. So it was just getting really, really emotional, not being able to zoom out, not being able to hold long term. I had shares of Apple over a decade ago, and I sold them on the smallest news, the stupidest news that I heard, never bought back in. And it's like, those shares of Apple would be worth so much more right now. I had a couple $1,000s worth of Apple. And so the thing that I would say, and this is the thing I'm doing with crypto, buy and hold. Buy and hold. I'm not operating from a short-term perspective. So didn't know Pablo was on the same project as BitBoy Crypto. Yeah. All my crypto is 6 figures and 90% in SafeMoon and Dogecoin. Yeah, it's a buy signal. Yeah, thoughts on Dogecoin? It's just going to be dormant for the next few months. I think a lot of cryptos are going to outperform meme coins. So, yes, real money. Bear markets. Ovo, great comment. Bear markets make you wealthy. So bull runs make you money, but bear markets make you wealthy. So, all right. Yeah, any legit one. Keyword legit. Paradise tokens? No. I haven't heard. I'm not familiar, so I got to have a 10-year hold, 75% Bitcoin and ETH. I'm down with that. I am so down with that. That other 25%, you want to throw it to SafeMoon or Shiba Inu, whatever, try to make a quick buck? go for it. But things that you know are going to exist long term, it's like you've got a really good option here. It's a good price to buy for ETH. You know, you see anything under 2K, I would say jump on in. So, but I'm buying ETH. You know, aside from short term, next 10 days or so, I'm not buying anything. After that, I will continue to add to my Bitcoin and ETH as I'm able to. So, pulled my altcoins and converted to Bitcoin thoughts. I mean, I would do Bitcoin and Ethereum Z-Corb. I would, not just Bitcoin. I do think Ethereum over the next decade is going to outperform Bitcoin. But I wish more people did that. It's like no one wants to buy Bitcoin. No one. And Bitcoin is like the guaranteed. I don't want to say guaranteed. I never want to say guaranteed. But Bitcoin is the most likely one to make you a millionaire. Yeah, do you like Aave? Yeah, I like Aave. DeFi. I like anything, any of the big ones that have to do with DeFi, I'm down. I struggle with Pablo. I prefer your channel. Also, Brian is always on there. I don't know why I don't like Brian. He makes me grr. All right, Brian. I follow. Oh, yeah, Brian Ross. Brian, I think I like him. He's more of a real estate guy. I think he thinks that this is a bear market until 2024. He's the only one who I know of who thinks that. I mean, Pablo doesn't think that. Even Crypto Weatherman, with all his bearishness, he doesn't think that. Would you say this Bitcoin correction will turn upside soon? Not soon, not July. I mean, I do think we're going to see a small green candle for July, and then a decent one in August. So, and then the fall will be much better. I have not heard. Well, I have heard of Alliance Block. I just don't know enough to give any commentary on it. All right, thinking long term here. Can't be driving myself crazy looking at my portfolio every 2 minutes. Yeah, sometimes I wish I would. Sometimes I think. Man, maybe I should take like a month off or something from TikTok, from YouTube, because I have to look at the charts every couple minutes or so, and sometimes it makes me want to pull my hair out. So, do you buy BTC down? No, I don't have a platform where I can. Actually, that's not a bad idea. There is a platform where I can buy something similar to that. Maybe I should, just to kind of hedge, Agree with you on Ethereum, but I think Bitcoin is dead as far as making big percent profits. Okay, I mean, you disagree. I disagree with you. You disagree. That's fine. It's all good. I mean, I do believe we will see $1 million Bitcoin this decade. So, is that not enough? I mean, that's 30x from here. I'll take it. Thank you, Chi-Town Danny. Really appreciate that. ETH 2.0 update. I don't know. I mean, 2022. That's the only thing I know of. So, but again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube right now. Follow me on YouTube, World War Bitcoin, and the viewing experience is superior on YouTube than on TikTok. Opinion on XRP. I'm not crazy about it, but I'm not crazy against it. XRP is very polarizing. There are people on both sides of the equation. I am more of a middle guy. I own a decent amount, so I am bullish on it in general. I just don't think we're going to be seeing $10,000 XRP like some people are saying. I think that's insane. So, let's see. All right. YouTube. All right. Yeah, take it from this comment on YouTube. My YouTube is way better than the TikTok experience. So again, hop on over to YouTube. World War Bitcoin. Search it on YouTube. What's my biggest holding? Probably Ethereum. I'm assuming it's Ethereum. Yeah, it's definitely Ethereum. It used to be Bitcoin, but Ethereum has outperformed Bitcoin. Cake might be my second biggest holding, and I'm staking it at over 100% returns, APR. Do you see EIP reducing the ETH supply enough to see a large price increase? I'm not. I mean, what's the perspective on time? You know, if we're talking about a year, I do think that it'll, in general, be more valuable over a span of a year, aside from like bull and bear markets. But we're talking 4 years. If you're talking about 4 years compared to if EIP 1559 didn't launch, I think it's going to be a significant difference. So thank you, Daisy. Yeah, better experience. Thought on H-Bar and Matic. I love both of them. Those are close to my top 5 for sure. H-Bar is a long-term hold for me. Matic may be a long-term hold for me. Heard of any tokenized real estate projects? Cool concept or just updated timeshare scam? I don't know. Yeah, I am curious because there's some of them that are legit cryptos that are kind of venturing in that direction. So, I mean, we'll see, man. Maybe it's going to be awesome. How much do you think ETH 2.0 will affect need for Polygon? I don't know. I think there's always going to be a need for Polygon. But, I mean, the level of concern for me with that is maybe, 10% concern. All right, Bitcoin 1 million 2025. I do think we're talking, I'm thinking high 6 figures. So I would have bought Doge early if it wasn't created as a joke. Now I'm the joke. I bought Doge earlier than anyone you know. And I got Doge stolen from me earlier than anyone you know. So what's your PT for Chainlink 2022? 200 or so? Yeah, it's 24/7 and on. You have more space to write questions on YouTube. Thoughts on Crow? Very excited about these partnerships. The Formula One partnership, the UFC partnership. I mean, man, $150 million with UFC. That establishes their legitimacy more than anything, man. So very excited about that. I love Crow anyway. So can you expand a bit on cool crypto heading in that direction? I have some labs, but it's concentrate. I'm not cool crypto. I don't know what you're talking about. Solana Summer? What do you mean, Bitcoin maximalist? All right, there are many predictions regarding the 1% Bitcoin Club. Some say you should own 0.1, some say 0.28, and others say at least 15. 15? Wow, what would your estimation be? I've been saying 0.28, actually. That's the exact number I've been saying. That is, I mean, if everyone who owned Bitcoin owned 0.28 Bitcoin, given the number of people in the world, you would automatically be in the 1%. So maybe 0.28 is even too high. But yeah, am I into Solana? Yes, I am. And listen, for in the bear market in 2022 and 2023, I am going to be buying a ton of Solana, a ton of Quant. We'll see about Chainlink. I'm wondering if Chainlink's even really going to suffer throughout a bear market or anything like that. And what else? I mean, I'll obviously be loading up on more Bitcoin and Ethereum. So my daughter can't invade the stream anymore because I'm on a standing desk right now. What else? Why do you think the bear market is coming in 2022? I just closed the door. No, Esther. Peak bull IMO. I mean, I think the peak is going to come in 2022. You really think 2023 is going to be the peak of the bull run? I mean, I believe in extended cycles with diminishing returns. Extended cycles. I'm more of a guy when it comes to extended cycles. I just think that each halving the bull run is going to last a little bit longer. So 2017, it was a year and a half. This time around, I could see it being something like, a year and 3/4 or 2 years, but like 2023, that would seem to me to be like the bottom of the bear market. I mean, when would the bear market be if the bull run went until 2023? I'm just trying to process this. I would think that, 2024, but like then the next halving is probably going to be in May of 2024. So I just don't see 2023 being the peak of the bull run. I hope you're right, because I'd love to accumulate more, but yeah, big head, awesome, 1840. I think that's a great price to buy it. So bear late 2023, 2024. That would be a really short bear market. Forget the halving, really? That's interesting. So you think? I mean, I am curious about this, because I have been wondering, like, how much more of an effect is the halving going to have? I mean, the drop from 900 to 450, I think, is going to be significant, especially with like a Bitcoin ETF being launched in the United States. In Canada, the Canada ETF, what's it called? Oh, I'm blanking on the name. Purpose ETF in Canada, they add about 86 Bitcoin to their holdings every day. By my calculations, the United States would add, if there was a Bitcoin ETF in the United States, it would add something like 650 Bitcoin to their holdings on a daily basis. And so when that mining is dropped from 900 to 650, the supply crunch, are you kidding me? And that's just with an ETF. Hey, Begin Crypto, yeah. Are we going to drop further than we did today? Yeah, I think so. So halving should get less significant. Begin Crypto, I'm totally with you on that, which is why I believe in lengthening cycles with diminishing returns. So lengthening cycles, diminishing returns. From the 2013 peak to the 2017 peak, we saw a 20x. And I'm thinking from the 2017 to 2021, or 2022 peak, we'll see a 10x. In the next cycle, we'll see like a 5x. The cycle after that, we'll see a 2.5x, things like that. You believe in the Bitcoin standard sometimes. Depends on the day. Mondays and Fridays, I'll say yes. Other days. So it's how we decouple from predictability. Yeah. What ETH will go up to by December? Please advise. Oh, man. Chi-Town Danny, no offense. This has nothing to do with you. I, die inside when people say, please advise. And, again, nothing to do with you. It's this weird pet peeve of mine. It's this weird pet peeve of mine when people say, please advise. It drives me wild. But no, that has nothing to do with you. Don't worry about it. $5,000 ETH by December. So it's how we decouple. All right, so I said that with lengthened cycles, there will be mini cycles within. Yeah, I totally agree with you, which is why we are in a bear market right now. I just don't think it's the bear market, So, yeah, H-bar dropped to 17 cents. I bought some H-bar yesterday. I realized that I barely had any. So I broke one of my rules. I break my own rules all the time. So buy Safe Moon. You'll be glad you did. I have a decent amount of Safe Moon. So from the emails, Bra Unleashed. I mean, that's where it is for me. I get a ton of emails with people saying, please advise. So please advise hurts to even read. Oh, man, I'm glad it's not me. I'm glad it's not just me with please advise. It's like somebody's trying to sound sophisticated, and so they, please advise. And so, no, I will advise you to shut your mouth. That's what I will advise. No, my business, I get emails from customers, and so many times, please advise. I'm like, I advise myself to just die right now. So it reminds me of work. Yeah, work traumatized. That's perfect. Am I into yield farming? I'm not into it a ton. But whenever this bear market comes, man, I will be heavily into yield farming. Like something like a BNB USD pair. So if BNB goes down, and obviously the USD coin or USD Tether I wouldn't do it with Tether, but the dollar would stay the same. But BNB goes down, I get more BNB. That sounds great to me, and I get like a 50% return on that farm. So yes, I will be into yield farming at some point, but not as much right now. Impermanent loss, all that stuff. So I want to do it safely. I don't want to do it with two cryptos that are volatile. DOT seems to be lagging at 1550. Yeah. Why BNB and not Matic? I don't know. Matic too. Yeah, for sure. I'll do it for Matic. I mean, I was just throwing that out. So that what BNB Platinum is? I don't know. I don't know what that is. Diminishing returns used to be my uni professor's most used phrase. Ooh. Well, I don't mind diminishing returns. I was an econ major in college, so Bitcoin is like the gold standard of all crypto coins, not ever going anywhere, and good place to store wealth. There we go. Yeah, that's what I think. I mean, I don't think it's going to be a currency. It could be a currency, but not the currency that people use. Do I ever short any crypto coin? No, but I'm tempted right now. I'm just like, I'm feeling a little nervous about the next couple of weeks, and so I might just kind of hedge my bets. Please advise it's coming home. Yep. All right, G just came out yesterday. Okay, so next step to BNBP. That's why people are asking me about that. All right. Cosmos is not on my radar all that much. I own a fair amount of it. I used to own more. That's the first coin ever staked. I am bullish in general, but what impresses you about HBAR? Impresses me is a difficult word. Yeah, I mean, their partnerships are great. The fact that all this SEC stuff, all the trouble that we're seeing Binance in, and XRP, HBAR will never have to worry about that. They're already past that government regulation hurdle. Hashgraph versus blockchain. I'm curious. Could HBAR be the Bitcoin of the Hashgraph? Things like that. The things that they're saying that they will be able to do. Very impressive. Their transaction speed, all of that. But it's more of I don't know. Is this a disruptor? So, all right. Unsolicited advice for anyone reading. Please replace. Please advise with what do you think, and people are much more likely to respond. Okay. Yeah, Slice of Butter. I've talked a lot about Crow and their partnership with F1. Do you recommend shorting USDT? Yes, by buying Bitcoin. That's a great question. Yeah, Hashgraph, just for different tech. IG is advertising Doorcoin. I have no idea what Doorcoin is. It sounds stupid. What is yield farming? It's kind of like staking, but you pair. Most people, I think, when they understand what yield farming is, they'll compare it to staking a lot. I shouldn't say it's like staking, but you pair two different coins into an LP, and then you put that in a pool, and you get returns of a crypto. Like a Pancake Swap, they have a ton of farms, so you get returns of Cake, even if you're not farming. If Cake is not one of those two coins that you're pairing. So they promise really high yields, but you've got to be careful because if one of those currencies goes to zero, you're broke. Can you really call those Crow partnerships? I mean, yeah, whatever you want to call it. It's like, they're advertising. Apple, hold or sell, averages 127 for 112 stocks. Chi-Town, my big thing is Apple. I mean, for Apple, hold forever. I mean, I owned Apple in 2010. Should I have held or sold when some bad news came? I should have held, or I should have sold and bought Bitcoin, but obviously, hindsight's everything. Very risky. Is that true? It's risky. It can be risky, but there's certain pairs that are not risky at all. And like I said, like a BNB USD pair is very, very safe because BNB, you could do a Bitcoin USD pair, that's very safe. You can do an Ethereum USD pair. If Ethereum goes to zero, then yes, that will go to zero. But if I don't know, I'm blanking right now. If you think that a crypto is going to exist for a long period of time, that pair will be very lucrative for you. So, okay, I answered it already. Never mind. Is it safe to say a coin or token is out of the rug pull possibility if it's top 100, or has there been one in the top 100, 200? Tron is in the top 100. BTT is in the top 100. And would you define that as a rug pull? I mean, you want to get technical about it. Sure, maybe it's not a rug pull, whatever, but those did get rug pulled already. And who knows? Maybe Justin Sun, I don't know how much Tron Justin Sun has, but if he has a lot, he'll definitely rug pull it again because he's greedy. So he's a prick. All right. Thank you, Papa Giorgio. Yeah, it is difficult. Exit strategy, something go insane. Yeah, ICP's top 100. Yeah, that's right, Jared. If I see things go parabolic, I'm going to get very nervous. If I see 1,000 people in my chat on TikTok, I will get very, very nervous. So, Solana greater than H-bar. They're both really high up there for me. So, you know, I just shared my thoughts on H-bar. Long-term hold for me. Crypto is like marriage. Risky, but hang in there. Yes, yes. Man, this is the slowest day on TikTok that I've ever had, which, again, is a bullish sign. So, yeah, Solana has more traction now. Yep. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube. Hop on over to my YouTube channel. It is a better viewing experience. I am able to answer every question there, although there's only 43 people live on TikTok. So, yeah, not hold forever, but hold for H-bar. Hold for, like, you know, a lot of this decade. You'll be good. Jared. Oh, man. Jared on YouTube says, like marriage, you'll lose half of everything. Ha ha. So, I'm not familiar with CKB. Yeah, thank you, Twisted. 95% of the UK are still in bed with hangovers. That might be it, man. That might be it. Seems like a steal. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, all right. A waiter with a dream says the TikTok experience is better. You're the first one who's ever said that, but good to know. I was on TikTok. You told us to come here on YouTube. Yeah, all right. Yeah, Slice of Butter on YouTube says it's better. So, whatever you prefer, that's fine. I don't make any money. Oh, Twisted, by the way, thank you for that present. I don't really make money on TikTok, but I do on YouTube with ads and stuff. So, and listen, I barely make anything as of right now on YouTube, but eventually maybe I'll make more. So, yeah, Papa Giorgio, I'm total in agreement with that. So, I'm very bullish on Ethereum because of, yeah, once the EIP 1559 launch is done, then awesome. Can you explain yield farming again? If you already did, please, or should I ask on Twitter? Sambo, man, I did. I explained it for a long time. You must have missed it. Yeah, I will keep growing. Thank you, Slice of Butter. Oh, Evil D. All right, Garden of Evil. I didn't know that. Smiles, thank you. Oh, wait, no, you didn't. You usually just compliment me. So I just assumed. Thank you. Let's see. Ballpark crypto market cap end of run 10 trillion, something like that. All right, bro, you ever thought about making a decent crypto coin? I've thought about it. I don't think I'm going to, though. So, Daisy, add you like to boost the algorithm. Yes. Yes. Like my YouTube live stream and boost the algorithm. All right, Esther, go. Oh, thank you so much, Pap Giorgio. Yeah, don't expect you to agree with everything I say, but thanks a lot. Top 5 crypto TikTok accounts. In order, I'm not going to say in order. Crypto Weatherman, Blockchain Boy, easily Blockchain Boy. That's my boy. I like him a lot. But let's say Blockchain Boy, Crypto Weatherman, Begin Crypto. Who else? Maybe Crypto Wendio. I'm just trying to think. I feel like I'm blanking on somebody. And then maybe Crypto Mason. Thoughts on Crow by the end of the year? I mean, I think all of them will be a little bit higher than their all-time highs. Yeah, Wendy, for sure. Jordan Hudson's. I have a son named Jordan and a son named Hudson. Is there somebody named Jordan Hudson on here? Thank you, Norma. Normax. Mac. Oh, yeah, CVO. I like CVO. Top TA YouTubers, easily Benjamin Cohen, Crypto Jed. Mac Lorden, he's okay. Thank you so much, E. Davidson, you're killing me, man. You're awesome. Thoughts on SNX? I'm taking my cues from Crypto Mason. So he's very, very bullish. Okay, no, that's an actual person. Dude, you guys are killing me. Thank you so much. All right, no one seems to be able to explain this to me, but why is ETH or Bitcoin 300 to 600 cheaper to buy in GBP than USDT? Anna, I had no idea that was the case. Go Zion. I have no idea. Seems like a money-making opportunity. All right, no one's... All right, sorry. What's your thoughts on Quant? Quant is a sleeping giant. Sleeping giant. Safe Moon Profits. I missed that comment. Pap Giorgio. So, what do I think about XRP? Woo! I am middle of the road with XRP. I think it's going to be flat until the SEC suit is over. Should pass its all-time high. After that, but we'll see. Do I watch JRNY Crypto? A little bit. Not a ton. Besides making money, what are my other interests? Spending time with my family. I have no hobbies. My wife wishes I had hobbies. I have none. So, best exchanges to buy cryptos, taking into consideration the fees. Voyager. I haven't mentioned Voyager at all this live stream. Oh, dude, no. A Waiter with a Dream. I love Crypto Lark. I love him. He is fantastic. Smartest guy I know when it comes to just like his overall knowledge of everything. All right. So best exchange to buy cryptos. Download Voyager, the Voyager app. Use my referral code ALE749. ALE749. And you will get $25 of free Bitcoin and you'll skip the waiting list. It is my favorite one. And the fees are very low. All right. What was the question, bro, about GBP? What? And hot sauce? All right, yeah, let me read that question, Smiles. So on YouTube, Anna May says, no one seems to be able to explain this to me, but why is ETH or Bitcoin 300 to 600 pounds cheaper to buy in GBP than USDT? And I've never heard that before. I don't know if it's the exchange. Thank you again, Pap. Thank you so much. All right, I'm going to make good money, especially with Safe Moon. I hope so. Yeah, I have Safe Moon, so. Oh, all right, National Lampoon Vegas Vacation. I don't think I've ever watched that. I've watched the other ones. So, all right, Doge over, no. Laszlo. It's not going to have any independent runs for the next few months. We need to see Bitcoin go above its 200-day moving average, its 21 weekly EMA. After that, we'll be back in a bull market and things will go higher. So where do you expect ETH by December? 5,000 or so, something like that. So Magic Internet Money. I should create a crypto called Magic Internet Money. You're welcome, Candy Lane. ICP, I hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns. So, All right, what wallets do I recommend? Mason. Here's the deal. Do you mean just exchanges in general, or do you mean actual wallets? Because I like Trust Wallet, I like MetaMask. So, never heard that it may be the exchange rate difference, but I'm guessing no. So, I mean, I'm wondering that. Is it just like, okay, pounds are worth more than dollars? Is that it? So, I don't know. All right, you've been using Trust Wallet. Yeah, I like Trust Wallet. What's up with today's dip? I don't have any answers for you, Ron Doggy Dog. I really don't know. There's lots of things. I mean, the stock market's down, and stocks and crypto are usually correlated. So, oh my goodness, you're just blowing me away, man. All right, Pap Giorgio is the MVP of this live stream. Although E. Davidson is the man as well. And all right, I will, to those of you on TikTok, he's donating to the stream on YouTube. Really appreciate it. And he says to buy SafeMoon. So I'm forwarding that message to you on TikTok. Buy SafeMoon. Fire sale on crypto and stocks right now, yeah. Yeah, Smiles, I know that. Yeah, pounds are currently higher than the dollar. Price difference, I use Binance. Sometimes it equals out, but most time there's a big difference, but you lose profits if you sell back to USDT. Need to figure out how to profit. Man, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I know that there's a lot of people in the UK who, watch my live streams and stuff. So I've just never heard of, I've never even considered that being a possibility. All right, I am a little bit more of a fan of SafeMoon now than I have been at any time. I'll say that. All right, pulled everything out of Binance here in the UK. That's probably a good idea. I am going to stay live on YouTube. I'm going to get off of TikTok real quick because my lunch is here. So, David, somebody's being very generous to me on YouTube. Pap Giorgio, one of my new favorites. And so that's all. He's saying to buy SafeMoon. He's made a lot with SafeMoon, as I have as well. I used to own $7 billion, but I sold at peaks and everything like that. So now I own about $1 billion. Yeah, banks are starting to block transactions. Yeah, hop on over to YouTube if you want to keep chatting. I'll be live on YouTube a decent amount longer. I might go back live on TikTok. I'm gonna go back live on TikTok later this afternoon. I need to actually make a TikTok video today, so I'll make a TikTok video, go live on TikTok later in the afternoon today. But I'm gonna stay live on YouTube for a little bit so that the people on YouTube can watch me eat. And yeah, all right, peace out to those of you on TikTok. Oh my goodness, man. Yeah, people have been telling me that SafeMoon has a lot of great things coming down the pike, so I've been hearing that. Yeah. Where do you get SafeMoon? I've gotten on PancakeSwap. One second. I need to open my water. So I have for lunch salad and taco-like things. I don't know what this is. And it's falling apart in my hands, so it's my lucky day, yeah. People like what's his name, BitBoy Crypto, this is like a normal day for him. But all right, Keto Crush, Waiter with a Dream. You're the one who said it's better on TikTok, right? Wow. Thank you, Eric. Hey, technically fundamental is here. Do you think that with the 18th coming up, even with premiums involved, those buyers will still buy more at discounts than sell? That's what I'm wondering. I'm hidden with all the charts. So people are making a bullish case. I can see myself. People are making a bullish case that these unlocks are going to actually be good. And I am wondering, because of the discount, if this time around is different. Because when people bought in, I'm trying to think, there was a May unlock, there was a March unlock, there was a December unlock. I think that things were different than the January when they bought in January in anticipation of the July unlock. Maybe I'm still trying to wrap my head around that technically. So, and thank you for the compliment, Pap. Comment on BitBoy Crypto and ask when they have me around the blockchain. He probably had like 10,000 comments in that live stream, so who knows? You know, he mentioned the Crypto Weatherman on one of his live streams, so maybe one day I'll pop on there. Yeah, Pap Giorgio's killing it. Remember everyone to like the video. Are you on TikTok at all, Pap? Yeah, Anna, I mean, I have mixed feelings about blockchain, or not blockchain boy, BitBoy Crypto. I mean, he's smart, he knows his stuff. He does sometimes shill some random crap. I probably don't hate him. I probably don't dislike him as much as other people dislike him. But yeah, I mean, it would be great exposure to be on there for sure. Yeah, I mean, Pap, thank you. All right, Bronco. Oh, okay, Bronco. Okay, yeah. I don't have more followers on YouTube just because I'm newer. I started this channel in November. I started the YouTube channel in November. And so, you know, give it time. I mean, I started that TikTok channel in late December, and it has 69,000 followers. And so, you know, give it time. I'll get there, I hope. You know, I would love to make this a full-time thing. It just takes time for everyone, you know? Yeah, Pap. I try to divert traffic to my YouTube. So, thank you. All right, have a good one, Pap. I'm a Christian too, so God bless. Our Clubhouse has had some interesting crypto conversations, kind of a fun format. Man, yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how to get onto Clubhouse. I don't try hard enough. I mean, there is that, but what am I going to mine in the bear market? I'll mine helium for sure. What else? Doge. I'll buy some Doge. And I really don't know what else, honestly. I'll do a lot more research. Heard with a TikTok algorithm, you got to be live for just over an hour, even 1 minute. And they like that and push it out to more people. Yep, that's why I go live every day. That's exactly why I go live. The amount of TikTok. Wait, so Anime, did you said just over an hour or just under an hour? Because I'm curious about that. But the reason why I go live on TikTok every day is because it grows my followers big time. So thank you, Eric Davidson. Thank you so much. There is a link in the description. All right, just over an hour. Okay. I try to go over an hour. Yeah, helium miners are hard to get your hands on. And if you do put the money down, it's going to take like 3 months to get one. Sometimes they're on eBay, but they're very expensive. All right, Keto Crush. I am not signed up for the TikTok Creator Fund, so I would love to hear more about it. So any info you have, because I don't use it, but I'm curious, like, is it actually worth it? I hear it's like 2 cents or something per 1,000 views, something like that. Okay, Anime, yeah. I mean, it was clear to me. First time I went live, I was like, oh my goodness, look at how many new followers I have. So yeah, you have to pay in USDC. Yeah, they pay you for going viral. Yeah, free money. I heard from some people complaints that like your reach goes down, but all right, here we go. Let me focus on this helium miner. I just want to see auction. If there's any for an auction, because it's insane. I saw once that one was auctioning for like $800. Or sorry, $8,000. All right, $1,500 each. Yeah. Nebra, $766. 5 days left. $1,925, 8 hours left. That's going to go much higher. I'm going to add this to my watch list, see what happens. $1,625. You know what? I should just see the sold ones. Wow. Only 2,000. I'm kind of tempted. All right, here's some more that are higher. $18.25, $15.76. Wow. Yeah, I saw one a few months ago that sold for over $8,000. That's a great question, Anna. I think I would rather keep it. Now that I'm thinking about it, it just depends. I mean, I've seen some videos saying that people are making like, I don't remember how much they're making with the helium miners, but it's enough a day that it would be worth it to keep it. Yeah, Eric would keep a few. I would keep a few. I think I'm going to be done for now. Um, I'm probably going to go live this afternoon. So if I go live, it'll be only on TikTok. And so enough with you guys watching me eat my food. But thank you all so much for your time. And I'll be live tomorrow. I'm live Monday through Friday usually. I'm getting set up in a new office area in my house. So, yeah. Check me out on YouTube. See you later. Technically Fundamental. Let me read your comment. If I can only hook up a helium miner to a Peloton. Nice. Yeah. All right. Have a good one. Yeah, thank you.